Today we have a lot of sea animal toys. The first one is a king crab.
King crab.
This is a shark.
A shark.
The next one is a puffer fish.
A pufferfish.
The next one is a whale.
A whale.
A clownfish.
A clownfish.
The next one is a blue tank.
A blue tank.
The next one is a sea turtle.
Sea turtle.
The next sea animal is a yellow whale.
A yellow whale.
The next one is a lobster.
A lobster.
A starfish.
A starfish.
A pufferfish.
A pufferfish.
The next one is octopus.
Octopus.
A pufferfish.
A pufferfish.
The next one is a catfish.
Catfish.
A dolphin.
A dolphin.
A seal.
A seal.
A seahorse.
A seahorse.
The next one is a pink whale.
Pink whale.
A queen parrotfish.
A green parrotfish.
A dolphin.
A dolphin.
A frog.
A frog.